Hello, I'm Mark Stampini, your home sold guaranteed realty services. And today we're going to talk about setting up your Google My Business. This big to your left right here, this is your Google My Business when you go to Google. First thing you're going to do, go to google.com/business. You're going to sign into your Google account, and then you're going to click Manage Now. You're either going to find your business name or you're going to add it to Google. So up here we have an example, your home sold guaranteed realty services with Kristin Stampini. Choose the category that fits your business best. So they're going to give you business categories: real estate agent, real estate consultant, real estate agency. You choose one. Do you want to add a location for customers that can visit your store or your office so it can show up on Google Maps and Google searches? Click yes, and then next. You're going to type in your address, your street address, your city, your state, your zip. Make sure your phone number matches the phone number on your website. You're going to add your website also to the Google My Business. So 561-221-292, and then you're going to add the website of yours. You're going to click Finish, and it's going to take about 4 to 5 days, probably a little over a week, to get your verification. This is what's going to show up when you're in Google My Business, say pending verification. Once it actually comes, you're going to get an actual postcard from Google, and this is the verification code, or a similar one is going to be popped up. You enter that in, and then it'll make it live. Once you're finished, you're going to manage it. You're going to continue to promote it by adding photos and posts. You can track how many people actually see it with the analytics that they'll keep in track for you. And you're going to get customer reviews, and you're going to respond to the customer reviews. And that is how you're going to set up your Google My Business. Again, thanks. Have a good day.